All right, so can we use our fraction tiles to compare fractions? Like we were comparing fractions the other day, and we have to do that for review for our test too. How could we use a fraction strip to compare to see what fraction is greater? For instance, if I give you, let's say I give you, find a good one here. If I give you 3/8 versus 1/3, can you use your fraction strips to compare those? Okay, go ahead and do that with your partner. You can write this on your whiteboard and then write the proper symbol in between when you're done.
3/8 is bigger.
Yep, I showed it.
No. I think 3.
Okay, so Sarah,
Wait,
3/8.
raise it up.
And I want to see you using your strips also.
Yep, 3. Wait. No, let me just test it. Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah, let's
very
good.
good. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same.
Oh, you're gonna do
Yeah, that's right.
They are
Think of your multiple.
24.
Yeah, you can always multiply them together.
Yeah.
So which one do you think?
I was looking at following. Yeah. I 8.
So what is going to make them?
But if it's close up, you can.
Oh yeah.
Nom nom nom.
Okay.
What I use?
Are you sure? Can you prove it to me?
Nom nom
So yes.
Wait,
Alright,
3/8
awesome.
is bigger. 3/8 is bigger.
All right, be able to prove it to me. Rebecca, what did you guys come up with? You want to come up and put the symbol in the circle?
3/8.
Okay, can you get your strips and prove it?
Yes.
Because you need to be able to defend it or prove it. So you want to come on up and show everybody how you did that? Right, so she has 3/8 versus 1/3. And was everybody able to see that?
No.
Now I had one group of boys that did it differently. Ben and Ben, tell us what you did. Ben C, why don't you go first?
Well, we did a common denominator, and our common denominator was 24. So we, for 1/3, we did 3 times 8 equals 24. Then 1 times 8 equals 8, and then we got 8/24. And then we did for 3/8. 8 times 3 equals 24, and 3 times 3 equals 9. And 9/24 is greater than 8/24, so we know that 3/8 is greater.
All right, so these boys proved it with using our common denominators that we worked with, and then some of us did it with our fraction strips. Let's do another one, and the same thing, I want you to prove it to me. Either you can show it with your strips, or you can do it with math. Let's do 2/3 versus 3/4.
Okay, let's multiply it by 4. So
You can get,
12. So
no, I already know which one's
then you can have 8
because, no, I'm just going to do like a little
3/4
times 3. 3/4.
Yeah.
Got 12, and then you have 9. 3/4 is bigger. Oh, did you find a common denominator? Yeah, 12. Oh, yeah, for sure. 2/3 was how many?
The decimal or the percentage?
75.
That's 75%. What's the decimal for this one?
33%. Can't divide 100 into 3.
But you come close. You know how at the grocery store, 3 for $1?
Yeah,
So they always round. Well, so
33. Yeah.
is how much?
No, 66.
There you go.
66.5.
66.5. So they round it up. At the grocery store, they charge you 67, but that way you can do your decimals. All right, so who wants to share? Jacob. Will you come up and put the symbol in and then explain how you did it? I love the different ways that I've seen it. Okay, can you prove it? Okay, so how many of you did common, will you put it up there while I ask a question? How many of you did common denominators?
No, I didn't.
Okay, awesome, you can put your hands down. All right, so we had 8 12. What did you multiply these guys by? 4. And you multiplied these guys by?
3.
Awesome. And I heard a lot of people right away. I heard Aaron go, let's do common denominators. And I said, well, what is it? And right away, he saw it. So the more practice we get with this, the more you're going to see that. But you could also prove it with your strips. Did anybody, can you all show, thank you, Jacob. Can you hold up, show me the 2 strips that you need to prove it, if you prove it with fraction strips? So what are you using? Ethan, you're using thirds and fourths. Okay, perfect.